Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I'm going to share some beautiful wardrobe designs that features the stunning color combinations as you can see and a modern styles. I will also discuss the latest price and the best materials which are used for wardrobes, so which can help you to choose the perfect wardrobe for your home. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so you never the miss out our latest videos. So now, without wasting any time, let's begin the topic. So, have you ever walked into a bedroom and instantly felt that it looked luxurious, organized, and a visual appealing? So, a wardrobe which gives a beautiful designs for our bedroom interior. So there you can see there the beautiful designs are available. A wardrobe occupies a significant portion of the bedroom wall space. So because of its size and visibility, it natural becomes a focal point of the room. So when designed properly, a wardrobe creates visual harmony and elevates the entire interior. Modern wardrobe designs offers a clean lineness, elegant finishes, and a customized layouts that complement our various interior styles, whether contemporary, luxury, or classic. One of the biggest benefits is space optimization. So floor to ceiling wardrobes maximize the vertical storage while maintaining a sleek appearance. This reduces the clutter and creates a more spacious environment. Also, the mirror finishing wardrobe shutters can make a smaller bedrooms appear larger by reflecting the light throughout the room. Even the texture laminates, glass panels, and wooden finishes add the depth and character, which create a premium and a sophisticated ambience. Also, a beautiful design wardrobes also improves organization. Dedicated compartments for clothing, accessories, jewelries, and seasonal items, ensuring everything has its place. So, as a result, the bedroom remains neat, tidy, and a visual appealing. It has some best advantages like better storage management. So, modern wardrobes are customized according to your requirements. You can include hanging sections, drawers, pull-out baskets. Also, it enhances the bedroom aesthetics. Stylish wardrobe significantly improves the visual appeal of the room. It increases the property value also. So, premium interior solution often increase the perceived value of a home. So, when quality materials and hardware are used, wardrobe can last for decades with minimal maintenance. Durability directly depends on selecting the right core material. This brings us to one of the most important aspects of wardrobe construction, the materials. So, friends, choosing the right material determines the wardrobe strength, lifespan, moisture resistance, and overall performance. So, let's compare some most common materials which are available in market is MDF, which we call a medium density fiber board, which offers a smooth surface and it is suitable for painted finishes. However, it is less resistant to moisture and may not perform well in humid conditions. Another is a particle board is an economical option commonly used in a budget furniture. So while affordable, it has a lower screw holding capacity and a reduced durability compared to the premium materials. So third one is a plywood. Among all these options, plywood remain one of the most trusted and preferred material for wardrobe. Plywood offers a superior strength, durability, screw holding capability, and a long-term performance. So it is especially suitable for Indian climate conditions where temperature and humidity variations can affect the furniture materials. So in a plywood, BWR plywood is the best choice for wardrobe. So when discussing about a premium wardrobe construction, BWR plywood stand out as one of the best choice, which we call a boiling water resistance plywood. It is a manufacturer using high quality hardwood veneers bonded with the phenol formaldehyd resin, making it highly resistant to moisture and humidity. This gives excellent moisture resistance and also superior strength. It can excellent it has a load bearing capacity, making it ideal for wardrobe shelves, drawers, and hanging sections. Better screw holding capacities and also the long lifespan. A wardrobe make from quality BWR plywood can easily last for many years without vamping, swelling, or structural issues. So, friends, now let's talk about one of the most important part of this video is price. Actually, the exact price varies depending on brand, thickness, wood species, certifications, and region. So, friends, for making the wardrobe, including with materials and labor cost, it will cost you around 1100 to 1200 rupees per square feet. This includes everything like labor cost as hardware items like your channels, handles, hinges, everything. So friends, let me take example to understand that total how much it will cost. So suppose if you want to make the size of height will be 8 feet and your width will be 7 feet. So we have to multiply this 8 into 7. The total area for a wardrobe will be 56 square feet. So we have to multiply this 56 into 1200 rupees per square feet of our rate. So the total price it will cost around 67,000. So friends, this is a way you can calculate. So you should know your wardrobe size and you have to multiply this 1200 rupees. So friends, if you have any queries, please you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I given in the description. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.